everyone. In this lesson, we will learn how to create a new document, how to save a document, and how to open a document in Microsoft Word. So, let's take a look how to create a new document in Microsoft Word. To create a new document in Microsoft Word, you will get some preset templates in Microsoft Word. Suppose you want to create a resume in Microsoft Word. You will get some preset resume template in Microsoft Word. This is a creative resume template in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how a preset resume template looks like. I'm selecting this creative resume template by pressing left button in my mouse. Here we go. This is a creative resume preset template in Microsoft Word. You will get many more preset templates in Microsoft Word. You will get essential letter template, essential report template, red and black report template, red and black letter template, student report template, and many more preset templates you will get in Microsoft Word. To create our first document, I'm selecting this blank document for creating our first document. I'm selecting this. Here we go. This is our interface for creating a document in Microsoft Word. So let's write some text for creating our first document. I'm writing, this is our first document in Microsoft Word. So this is how you will write or create a new document in Microsoft Word. Right now, we will learn how to save this document in your computer. So, to save this document in your computer, we have to go in File menu, and here you will get Save option in here. I'm selecting the Save options. Here is, you have to select the path where your document will be saved in your computer. If you want to save your document in desktop, you can select desktop, but basically the documents is saving in my documents folder in your computer. So I am selecting browse options, and this is my document folder. So I want to save this document as a name of first document. So I'm pressing save button. So this is how you will save your document in Microsoft Word. You can also save your document by using your keyboard. You can use Ctrl and S button from your keyboard for saving a document. Right now, we will learn how to open a saved document in Microsoft Word. Last time we saved a document named first document in Microsoft Word. So I want to open that saved document in Microsoft Word. So I'm selecting this blank document, and right now I will open the saved document. To open a document in Microsoft Word, we have to click on File menu, and you will get an option named Open. I'm selecting this menu. Right now, we have to select the path from where we will open our document. Last time, we saved our document in My Document folder in our computer. So, I'm pressing in Browse Options, and we saved our document name First Document. So this is our first document file in My Document folder. So I already select this document, and I'm clicking Open option for open our document. So here we go. This is our saved document and opened in here. So this is how you will open a document in Microsoft Word. You can also use a keyboard shortcut button for open a document. You can press Ctrl and O button in your keyboard for open document. So in this lesson we learned how to create a document, how to save a document, and how to open a document in Microsoft Word. Thank you.
Hi there. I need your feedback about this course. If you really think you learn from this course, then please rate my course because your feedback really very important for me. If you have any issue or objection or advice or suggestion, then please message me instead of providing low or bad review so I can make correction or change my content for you. So please, if you learn from this course and if this course really help you out, then you can rate my course as 5 star and your cooperation will be highly appreciated. Thank you.
In this lesson, we will learn how to copy, how to cut, and how to paste in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to copy and paste in Microsoft Word. I'm writing some text here. This is our lesson for copy, cut, and paste in Microsoft Word. So I want to copy this line for more 3 times. So that's why I have to select this entire line. I'm selecting this entire line by pressing left button in my mouse and holding and moving this entire line. So this is how you will select your entire line, and you will get copy option in here, or you can use Ctrl and C button from your keyboard for copy in text or line in Microsoft Word. So I'm pressing these copy options. Our entire line is just copied. So right now I will show you how to paste this line for more 3 times. So I want to paste this entire line for more 3 times under this line. We already copied this entire line. So now we will see how to paste. Here is a paste option in clipboard tab. To paste that line, you can use this option or you can use Ctrl and V button from your keyboard. So I am using this option and I'm selecting this option, and here is our line is copied. And again I am pressing paste options, and again our line is pasting in here. So again I'm pressing the paste options. So this is how we will paste in Microsoft Word. We did copy and we paste that copied line for more 3 times. So this is how we will copy and paste in Microsoft Word. Suppose you don't want to copy that entire line. You want to copy a specific word. So let's take a look how to copy and paste in a specific word. Suppose we want to copy this lesson word from this line and we want to paste that lesson line for 3 times under this line. So to copy this lesson word, we have to select this lesson word and we have to use this copy option. I'm selecting this copy option and I want to put more 3 times that lesson word under this line. So I want to paste that lesson word in here. So to paste, we have to use paste option from here, or you can use Ctrl V button from your keyboard. So I'm selecting this paste option. You can see the already lesson word is just pasted in here. So we want to paste more 2 times here. I'm selecting again paste and again paste. So take a look. This is how you will copy a specific word in Microsoft Word. Right now, we will learn how to cut and paste in Microsoft Word. So, to cut any word from a line, you have to select this line or word in Microsoft Word. Suppose we want to cut this entire line from here and we want to paste this line under this lesson word in here. So let's take a look how to cut this line. To cut this entire line, you have to select this entire line. Then you will have to use this cut option, or you can use Ctrl and X button from your keyboard. So I am selecting this cut option. Here we go. You can see the line is just disappeared from here. That means the line is cutted. So I want to paste that line under this lesson word. So you know how to paste in Microsoft Word. We are using paste option in here, or you can use Ctrl V from your keyboard. So I'm pressing paste options. Here we go. Our line is cutted from top and is pasted in bottom in Microsoft Word. So this is how you will cut and paste in Microsoft Word. Or if you want to cut any specific word, or if you want to paste in Microsoft Word, so let's take a look how to cut any specific word. So I am cutting this Microsoft Word, this portion. I want to cut from here and I want to paste this portion under this line. So I'm selecting this portion and I am using cut option. You can see the MS Word is just disappeared from here. So I want to paste that MS Word under this line. So I want to paste that line, that words in here. That's why I need to paste from here. Here we go. So this is how you will paste any specific word in Microsoft Word. So you just learned how to copy, how to paste, how to cut, and how to paste in Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn the use of find option, replace option, and replace all option in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to use find option in Microsoft Word. This is an article for flower. Suppose you want to find that flower word from this article. So to use find option for finding any specific word in Microsoft Word, you have to click find option under the editing tab, or you can use Ctrl and F button from your keyboard. So I'm selecting this and I'm writing flower. Here we go. The flower word is just highlighted with yellow color, and here it shows the 13 results. That means that flower word contains in this article for 13 times. So this is how you will find any specific word in Microsoft Word. Right now, I want to show you how to replace in Microsoft Word. That means here we want to replace that flower word with rose word. That means we want to use rose word instead of flower word. So let's take a look how to do this. Here is an option under editing tab named replace, or you can use keyboard's Ctrl and H button for replace options. I'm selecting this replace options. I want to replace this flower word with rose word. So I'm writing flower word and I want to replace with rose word. So let's take a look. Here is a flower word. I'm pressing replace. Take a look, our flower word just replaced with rose word. And here is another flower word. It's just highlighted. I'm selecting again the replace options. Take a look, it's also replaced. And another flower word is here. I'm pressing replace. So take a look at flower word just replaced with rose word. So in this article, There are many more flower words, and if you want to replace that flower word by a single click, you can use replace all. If you use this replace all option, then all the flower word will be replaced with rose word. So let's do this. I'm selecting this replace all word. Take a look. All done. We made 10 replacements. That means our all flower word is replaced with rose word. So this is how you will use find options, replace options, and replace all options in Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn how to change font design, how to change font size, how to use bold, italic, and underline in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to change the font design. This is an article for flower. So I want to change this font design of this entire article. So to change the font design for this article, we have to select the entire article, or you can use Ctrl and A button from your keyboard for select the entire article. You will get a font changing option in here under the font tab, or you can use Ctrl Shift and F button from your keyboard. Right now it's in Times New Roman font, so we want to change it. I'm selecting here, and you will get many more font design in here. So I'm selecting Arial Black, this font. Here we go. Our entire article's font is just changed. So this is how you will change the font design in Microsoft Word. Suppose you want to change this first part of this article in another design. So to change this first part of this article, we have to select the area where we want to change, and I'm selecting in here, and I'm selecting Algerian font from here. Here we go. The first part of our article is now in Algerian font, and the rest part of our article is in Arial Black font. So this is how you will change font in Microsoft Word. Right now, we will learn how to increase and decrease the font size. We want to increase this article's font size. So that's why we have to select our entire article. We can use our mouse, or you can use Ctrl and A button from your keyboard, and you will get increase font size option and decrease font size option under the tab area, font tab area. So as we want to increase the size of our font, we have to use the increase font size option, and you will see the size of our font in here. Right now it's in 11 font size. We want to make it 16 in size. So I'm increasing our font size by this option. Here we go. The font size of our article is increased. So this is how you will increase or decrease font size. If you want to increase in a specific area from this article, then you have to select this area from this article. We want to increase the second part of this article much more. So I'm selecting this second part area. Our entire article is in 16 size, but the second part of this article we want to make it 20 in font size. So I'm increasing our font size. Here we go. The second part of our article is just increased. So this is how you will change your font size. If you want to use the entire font size in the same pattern, suppose this first part of this article is in 16 font and the second part of this article is in 20 font and the third part of this article in 16 font, but you want to make them all in 14 font, then you have to select the entire article. I'm selecting this entire article and you can type here your desired size. So I want to make this entire article in 14 size. So I'm writing 14 here and have to press enter button from our keyboard. Take a look. Our entire article font size is now in same pattern. So this is how you will increase and modify your font size. So right now we will see how to decrease the font size. To decrease the font size is similar like in the way of increasing font size. I want to decrease the font size of this first word of this article. That's why we have to select the area and we'll have to use decrease font size option in here. Right now our first part of the article is in 14 size and we want to decrease it in 10. So I'm selecting here. Here we go. Our font size is decreased. So this is how you will decrease the font size. Or if you want to decrease the rest area of this article, so you have to select the rest area and you have to decrease from here. So I am making it 10. So here we go. The entire article is now decreased in font size. Right now, we will learn how to use bold, italic, and underline in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to apply bold option in Microsoft Word. I want to make this first part of this article in bold mode. So that's why I have to select the area of this first part. And here is the bold option under the font tab. Or you can use Ctrl and B button from your keyboard. So I am selecting this bold option and here we go. The first part of our article now in bold mode. So this is how you will use bold option in Microsoft Word. Or if you want to make this first part as in previous mode, or if you want to remove the bold option from this first part of the article, then just select the area and you have to select again the bold option. Our bold effect is removed from our text. So this is how you will use bold and you will remove the bold effect from Microsoft Word. Right now we will learn How to use italic option in Microsoft Word. To italic, you have to select the area where you want to make the italic effect. I want to make this second part of this article in italic mode. I just select it here, and you have to select italic option from here, or you can use Control and I button from your keyboard. So I'm selecting this italic option from here. Here we go. Our second part is now in italic mode. Or if you want to remove this italic mode, just select the area and again select italic. So here we go. So this is the way how you will use italic and remove italic from Microsoft Word. If you want to make underline in Microsoft Word, you have to select the area where you want to underline in this article. I'm selecting this third third area in this article, and you will get underline option in Front tab, or you can use Control and U button from your keyboard. So I'm selecting this. Here we go. Our bottom part of this article is now just in underline mode. Or if you want to remove this underline from here, just select the area, and again you have to select this underline. Here we go. So this is how you will underline and remove underline in Microsoft Word. Suppose you want to make bold, italic, and underline in a same paragraph, then you can use in very easy way. So I want to make bold, italic, and underline this first word of this article. I'm selecting this and I'm selecting bold option. You can see now it's in bold mode, and right now I want to make this word as also in italic. So I'm selecting italic option. You can see the italic effect is affected in this area, and now I want to underline this part. So I'm selecting underline option. So take a look. Bold, italic, and underline is working in our first word of this article at the same time. Or if you want to make bold in a specific word, suppose I want to make this essential word is in bold mode. That's why I have to select the word. Then I have to select bold option. You can see the essential word is just in bold mode. Or if you want to italic in a specific word, you just need to select the area. I want to make italic this first line. So I'm selecting this first line and I'm selecting italic. So take a look. Our first line is in italic mode. Or if we want to make underline this second line. So I'm selecting this second line and I'm pressing underline option in here. So this is how you will use bold, italic, and underline options in Microsoft Word. In this lesson, we will learn what is strike through, the use of subscript, and use of superscript. So let's take a look how to use strike through. This is a small paragraph for flower, and I want to use strike through in this paragraph. So let's take a look how to do this. I'm selecting this entire paragraph. To apply strike through in this paragraph, you have to go this strike through option under font tab. I'm selecting strike through option. Here we go. A strike through impact applied to this paragraph. So this is how strike through option is working on Microsoft Word. Right now, I will show you how to use subscript in Microsoft Word. I want to write H2O. This is the chemical name of water, but this 2 shouldn't be like this. This 2 have to come in a little lower between H and 2. You may know the chemical structure name of water, and therefore you have to use subscript. To apply subscript in this numeric tool, I'm selecting this tool and you will get subscript option under font tab. I'm selecting this. Here we go. This is how subscript is working for. And right now the chemical name of water is in actual form. So this is subscript is using for. And right now I will show you how to use superscript. I'm writing a mathematical formula like a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. This 2 shouldn't be in here. It should be in little up in position. So that is the use of superscript. So let's make it. I'm selecting this 2 and you will get the superscript option under font tab. I'm selecting here and you can see the impact. So this is how superscript is working. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn how to change font color, how to use highlight in text, and how to change highlight color in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to do that. This is a paragraph of flower, and right now its font color is in black. But if you want to change the font color, then you have to select this entire paragraph and you will get font color option under font tab. I'm selecting this font color option and you will get a color box in here. You can choose any kind of color from here. I'm selecting this green color and here we go. The color of this paragraph's text is right now in green, or if you want to change it is in red, just you have to select this paragraph and you can select red color from here. So this is how you will change the text color in Microsoft Word. Suppose you want to use some multiple color like a flower, this word will remain a red color, but the rest of these words, like sometimes known as a bloom or blossom, you want to make this as a green color. So let's do this. You have to select the area which you want to make green. I just selected and I'm selecting green color from here. Or if you want to make some more color, so I'm creating this portion with a different color. I want to make this color as blue. I'm selecting blue color from here and here we go. The color is changing. So this is how it will change. Or if you want to pick some custom color, Then let me show you how to do that. I'm selecting this rest paragraph and I'm selecting more color option. I'm selecting this more color option and you will get a color ball for picking in a standard color. I'm selecting this cream color and I'm selecting OK button. You can see the rest part of this paragraph's text color is changed. Or if you want to put any custom color, then just select any area. I'm selecting this area and I'm selecting from font color to more color option, and there is another option named custom. I'm selecting this custom option and you can choose any kind of color from here, or you can put a value of red, green and blue or RGB mode color in here. I'm selecting this pink color from here, and you can increase or decrease transparency of this color. I'm selecting this pink color and you can customize the transparent mode from here. I'm selecting OK. Here we go. Our color is just changed. So this is how you will use color change, or you can change the color from your paragraph. Right now I will show you how to use highlight in Microsoft Word. So I want to use a highlight for this paragraph. That's why I'm selecting this paragraph, and you will get this highlight option, the text highlight color from here. Under the font tab, you can press or select from here, or you can choose any kind of color from here. I'm selecting this gray color and take a look. Our paragraph is highlighted with gray color. Or if you want to change this gray color, you just have to select this entire paragraph, and from font tab you will get the text highlight color option, and you can choose any kind of desired color as you want to pick. I'm selecting this pink color. So let's take a look. Our highlight color is just changed. So this is how you will use highlight, and you will change the highlight color. Or if you don't want to keep any highlight, just select this entire paragraph, and from text and highlight color option, just use the no color option. I'm selecting this and take a look. All the highlight is removed from this paragraph. So this is how you will add or you will remove highlight in Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn the use of text effect and typography in Microsoft Word. So let's use text effect and typography in Microsoft Word. This is a small paragraph for flower, and we want to use text effect in this paragraph. So I want to use some text effect initially, and I'm selecting this paragraph, and you will get text effect and typography option under font tab. I'm selecting here, and you will get different type of text effect in here. I'm selecting this text effect, fill blue text effect, and you can see the change or the impact of text effect is applied to our paragraph. If you want to change this text effect, suppose you want to put some gold fill text effect. I'm selecting this paragraph and we want to use a gold fill text effect. I'm selecting this text effect and typography option, and here is a gold fill text effect in here. And here we go. The text effect is applied to our paragraph. So this is how you will use text effect. But we will discuss elaborately text effect for this paragraph. Suppose you want to use some outline with this text effect. So let's take a look how to use some outline in this text effect. I'm making some bigger font, or I'm increasing some sizes from here. So as I want to use an outline in this text effect, just you have to select the paragraph and you have to select this text effect and typography option, and you will get the outline option in here. Suppose you want to put the outline color, you can select color from here. I'm selecting this red color as our outline color, and you can see the red color is now as an outline color of this text effect. Or if you want to increase the width of this text effect or outline, then you just have to select this width option, and you can select any kind of style from here. I'm selecting this tree, and now you can see the impact of this outline in our paragraph. So this is how you will add outline to the text effect in Microsoft Word. Right now we will learn how to use shadow in this paragraph. So if you want to use some text shadow, it can be an inner shadow or it can be an outer shadow or perspective shadow. You can use the shadow with this text. So let's take a look how to do the shadow in text. Just you have to select this entire paragraph and just select the text effect and typography option from here, and you will get the shadow option in here. And here is outer shadow, inner shadow, and perspective shadow. I'm selecting a perspective shadow from here, and you can see the shadow is applied in our paragraph. Or if you want to change this style of shadow, then you can do that. Just select the paragraph, or then you have to select the text effect and typography option, and from there you can choose any kind of shadow from here. I am selecting this perspective shadow, and you can see how the shadow is applied to our paragraph. You can choose any kind of shadow, or you can modify the shadow if you want. So this is how you will use shadow in Microsoft Word. Or if you don't want to keep this shadow, or if you want to remove this shadow, just you have to select this paragraph from text and typography option, then you have to select shadow option, and there is a no shadow option in here. I'm just selecting this no shadow, and here we go, all shadow just removed. So this is how you will add or remove shadow in Microsoft Word. Right now I will show you how to add a reflection in this paragraph. So let's take a look how to add reflection. I'm just selecting this entire paragraph, and from text effect and typography option you will get reflection option. You can choose any kind of reflection from here. I'm selecting this reflection, and you can see the impact of reflection is just applied to our paragraph. Or if you want to remove this reflection, just select this paragraph, and from text and typography option just select no reflection. I'm selecting this. You can see the reflection is just removed. So this is how you will add a reflection and you will remove reflection in Microsoft Word. Right now we will learn how to use color glow in Microsoft Word. We want to use some color glow in this paragraph, so let's take a look how to use color glow. Just you have to select the paragraph to apply the color glow in this paragraph, and you have to select text effect and typography option, and you will get a glow option in here, and you can choose any kind of glow from here. There is some more presets. If you like some orange glow, just you can select in here, and take a look, the glow is applied to our paragraph. Or if you want to change, or if you want to pick some other glow, just select the paragraph, and from glow option just select some other. I'm selecting this green glow, and here we go. The green glow is applied to our paragraph. So this is how you can choose or you can change the color glow in Microsoft Word. Or if you don't want to keep this glow in this paragraph, just select this paragraph, and from text effect and typography option, then we have to select the glow option, and here is no glow. Just I'm selecting this no glow option, and you can see the glow is just removed. So this is how you will add or remove the glow in Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn the use of undo and redo in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to use undo and redo option in Microsoft Word. This is a flower paragraph and it's a two-part. Suppose I want to delete this second part of this paragraph, and I'm deleting this paragraph, or sometime accidentally you can delete some lines or some paragraph or some word in Microsoft Word, and to bring them back in Microsoft Word, the undo option is using. So as I just deleted the second part of this paragraph and I want to bring it back. So that's why I have to use undo option. You will get this undo option in here, or you can use Ctrl and Z button from your keyboard. I'm selecting this undo option here, and here we go. Our deleted part of this paragraph is just in here. So this is how you will recover your paragraph or word or line in Microsoft Word. And right now I will show you how to use redo. Suppose right now you're thinking that the second part is not necessary for us. We just deleted a few moments ago and we want to keep it same as like before. That means we don't need this second part of this paragraph, and that's why we want to remove it. So you don't need to delete this again, just you will get the redo option in here. Here it is in redo, or you can use Ctrl and Y button from your keyboard. I'm just selecting this redo option, and you can take the second part of this paragraph is just deleted. That means the paragraph is now in our previous mode. So this is how you will use undo and redo option in Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn the use of number and bullets in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to use number and bullets in Microsoft Word. Suppose you want to create a registration form and you want to make this form in a number pattern. So I'm writing, you have to put a number, and to write or put a number you just need to select this numbering option under paragraph tab. I'm just selecting this number option in here, and you can see number 1 is just appeared. So I'm writing name in number 1, and you don't need to write number 2 in there, just you have to press your enter button, and I'm writing number 2 in here, and number 2 I'm writing address, and in number 3 I want to put phone number. I'm pressing enter button in my keyboard, and here number 3 I'm writing phone number. But if you have two phone number, a business phone number, a personal phone number, so that's why we have to use a sub number. That means there will be a two sub number under 3. You can put in ABC pattern or you can put in Roman pattern as you want. That's why you have to press enter. You can see number 4 is there, but you have to press tab button from your keyboard. I want to put it in ABC format and I'm just pressing tab. Here you can see the sub number system is here. So I'm writing personal phone number. In number A, and I want to put number B in business phone number. Just you don't need to write B, just press the enter. You can see B is automatically in here and I'm writing here business phone number. Great. So we just put our personal phone number and business phone number in a sub-numbering system, and right now we want to go back with the number sequence in 4 and we want to put email address in number 4. So let's take a look how to do that. Just you have to press shift and tab button from your keyboard. I'm pressing shift and tab button from your keyboard and you can see number 4 is here. I'm writing email, and in number 5 I want to write SSN, social security number. So this is how you will use numbering in here. Or you can change the design of this number pattern, like you don't want to keep this 1 2 3 format, or you want to put some Roman style or ABC style. And let's take a look how to change the number pattern or style. I'm selecting this entire form, and from numbering option I'm selecting here, and you will get different kind of design here. If you want to put ABC style, just select this here and you can take a look. The 1 2 3 number pattern is just changed with ABC, or if you want to change in Roman format, just select the text and you can select this option in here, and you can use this kind of or various kind of numbering design or number pattern in here. And right now I will show you how to use bullets. Suppose if you want to use bullets in here, let's take a look how to use bullets. I want to create a pointing mark and I need to put a bullet in here, so you will get the bullets option under paragraph tab. Just click it here and you can see a bullet is just here. I'm writing name. If you press enter, a bullet will automatically come in here. Just write address, and I'm number 3 I'm writing phone number. So this is how bullet is working for. If you want to change the style of these bullets, so let's take a look how to change the style of these bullets. Just you have to select these words, and from bullets option you will get different kind of designs in here. If you want to check or if you want to use this arrow mark, you can select in here and you can see the style of these bullets is changed. Or if you want to use some others, just select from here. I'm using this tick mark and you can see the bullets is changed. So this is how you will use number and bullets in Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson we will learn the use of uppercase, lowercase, toggle case, sentence case, capitalize, each word case. So let's take a look. This is a two-part paragraph article. I want to use uppercase in this paragraph. So I'm selecting this entire paragraph and you will get uppercase option in here, change cases option under the font tab. I'm selecting here and this is the uppercase option. So I'm selecting. If you use uppercase, all the alphabets will be in capitalized. That means all alphabet will be in capital letter. I'm selecting this uppercase option. Here we go. You can see our entire paragraphs alphabets are now in capital letter. So this is the use of uppercase. I want to use lowercase in this paragraph. So I'm selecting this entire paragraph and I will use lowercase. I'm selecting change cases option and here is the lowercase option. If you use the lowercase, then entire paragraph will be in small letter. So I'm selecting this lowercase and here we go. Every alphabet now is in small letter. So this is how the lowercase is working. And right now I will use sentence case. Sentence case means the first letter of this paragraph will be in capitalized. That's called the sentence case. I'm selecting these two paragraphs and I'm selecting sentence case from here. Here we go. You can see the first word is now in capital letter. So this is how sentence case is working. Right now, we will use capitalized each word case. So I'm selecting this paragraph and I'm selecting capitalize each word case. You can see every word's first letter is in capital letter. So this is how you use the case of capitalize each word. Right now we will learn the use of toggle case. Toggle case is the first letter will be in small letter and rest will be in capital letter. So let's take a look how to use toggle case. Just I'm selecting this entire paragraph and I'm selecting here toggle case. Here we go. The first word or first alphabet is just in small letter and rest of the alphabets are in capital letter. So this is the use of toggle case. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn indent and borders in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to use indent and borders in Microsoft Word. This is a paragraph for flower. So I want to use indent in this paragraph. I want to increase indent for this entire paragraph. To increase indent, I'm selecting this entire paragraph and you will get indent option under this paragraph tab in here. So I want to increase indent by pressing this indent option. Here we go. This is how you will increase indent for your paragraph. Or if you want to decrease the indent, then just you have to follow the same method. Here is an option for decrease indent. I'm selecting this and I'm decreasing indent for this paragraph. So this is how you will increase and decrease paragraph. Suppose you don't want to increase indent for entire paragraph. You want to increase the indent for the second part of this paragraph. So let's take a look how to do that. I'm selecting this second part of this paragraph and I'm increasing indent for the second part. So I'm selecting increase indent option and here we go. Our first word of this paragraph remains same indent and our second part of this paragraph is increased the indent. So this is how you will separately increase or decrease indent for your paragraph. Right now, we will learn how to use borders in this paragraph. I want to use a border for this first part of this paragraph. To add a border, you will get the border option on this paragraph tab. You will get different type of border style here. So As I want to use left side border, I'm selecting this left border. Here we go. A left border is just in here in our first part of this paragraph. And if you want to use the left side border for our second part, then you just have to put your mouse cursor at the starting line for this second part of this paragraph, and I'm selecting left border. Here we go. A left border is applied for our second part of this paragraph. Or if you want to add a right side border for this same paragraph, then you can add right side paragraph borders. So I'm selecting right borders, and here we go. In this second part of this paragraph, a left border and right border is in here. So this is how you will use left border and right border for your paragraph. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn how to use paragraph alignment in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to use paragraph alignment in Microsoft Word. This is a paragraph for flower, and by default it's in left alignment. That means the content align with left margin. So if you want to use right alignment for this paragraph tab, that means the content will align with right margin. So let's take a look how to apply right alignment in this paragraph. To apply right alignment in this paragraph, I'm selecting this entire paragraph, and you will get this right alignment option under the paragraph tab, or you can use Ctrl and R button from your keyboard. So I'm selecting this right alignment. Here we go. Our paragraph now is in right alignment. So this is how you will use right alignment for your text or paragraph or for article in Microsoft Word. If you want to use center alignment, then let's take a look how to use center alignment in Microsoft Word. I'm selecting this entire paragraph, and I'm selecting center alignment, or you can use Ctrl and E button from your keyboard. So here we go. Our paragraph is applied with center alignment. Or if you want to use justify alignment for this paragraph, then you just have to select the entire paragraph, and after that you will get justify alignment option in here, or you can use Ctrl and J button from your keyboard. So I'm selecting this justify alignment from here. Here we go. This is our alignment is applied here. That means our paragraph is justified by justify alignment. So this is how you will use justify alignment in your text or in your paragraph or in your document in Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn how to setting paragraph in Microsoft Word. So this is a paragraph for flower, and right now I will show you how to increase space between lines in this paragraph. That means I want to increase the space between every lines in this paragraph. So let's take a look how to increase space between lines. I'm selecting this entire paragraph, and you will get paragraph spacing option under the paragraph tab. I'm selecting here. I'm selecting this tool, and you can see the space between lines is increased. Or if you want to increase more, then just you have to select the entire paragraph, and from line and paragraph spacing option you can select 3. Here we go. Now our spacing is much bigger than before. So this is how it will increase the line space in paragraph. Or if you want to decrease the space between lines in paragraph, then you just have to select the paragraph, and from line and paragraph spacing option, I'm selecting this one. Here we go. Our space between lines in paragraph is decreased. So this is how you will increase and decrease space in paragraph. Right now, I will show you how to add space in paragraph. So, I want to add a space before this line. So I'm selecting, or I'm putting my mouse cursor in here. To add space in here, you will have to go in line and paragraph spacing option, and you will get add space before paragraph. I'm selecting this option, and now you can see a space is placed before paragraph. Or if you want to remove this space from here, you just need to put your cursor in front of the line, and from line and paragraph spacing option you will get remove space before paragraph. I'm selecting this. Now you can see the space is removed. So this is how you will add or remove space in paragraph. Right now I will show you how to add space before this paragraph. If you want to put some spaces before this paragraph, so that's why you have to put your cursor in here, and here is an option named paragraph setting. I'm selecting here, and here is an option named spacing, and I want to add space before this paragraph, so I am increasing in here and I'm pressing OK. Now you can see an space is added to this paragraph. So this is how you will add a space before paragraph. Right now I will show you how to add space in specific area in paragraph. That means I want to increase the line space for this first part of this paragraph, and I don't want to increase line space in second part of this paragraph. So only I will increase line space for this first part. So that's why I am selecting in here, and I'm clicking paragraph setting, and you will get line spacing option from here. I want to increase the space in table, and I'm selecting table option, and I'm selecting OK. So here we go. The first part of this paragraph is spacing between lines is increased, but the second part remains same as before. So this is how you will increase the space for a specific area in your paragraph. If you want to increase a little indent for the second part of this paragraph, so let's take a look how to increase a little indent from paragraph setting. I'm putting my mouse cursor in front of this line of second part. From paragraph setting, here is an option for indentation. So I want to increase a little indent for our left side. So I'm increasing a little indent, and here we go. Our indent is increased for left side. So this is how you will increase indent, you will increase and decrease space in your paragraph, or you can add or remove space in paragraph in Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn how to use Format Painter option in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to use Format Painter in Microsoft Word. You can see here is two paragraphs, first paragraph and second paragraph. But there is some difference between first and second paragraph. The first paragraph is in bold mode, it's in italic mode, and it's in underline mode in two, and its color is black. But the second paragraph is not applied with bold mode, not applied with italic or underline, and it's not in green color too. It's just in black color. And the first paragraph is in Arial black font, and the second paragraph is in Calibri font. So if you want to apply the design, the first paragraph into second paragraph, then we have to use Format Painter. That means the second paragraph will be applied with the design of first paragraph. So let's take a look how to use Format Painter. I'm selecting this first paragraph, and you will get a Format Painter option under the Clipboard tab, or you can use Ctrl Shift and C for copy and Ctrl Shift and V for paste from your keyboard. So I'm selecting this Format Painter option. Our first paragraph's design is just copied, and I want to apply this in second paragraph. So I am selecting this second paragraph. Here we go. Our second paragraph is applied with the design of first paragraph. So this is how Format Painter option is working on Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn how to insert a picture in Microsoft Word, how to resize, how to rotate, how to crop the picture in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to insert a picture. To insert a picture in your document, you have to click this Insert menu. I'm selecting this Insert menu, and you will get the Pictures option under Illustration tab. If you want to insert pictures from your computer, you have to use Pictures option, or if you want to insert pictures from internet, you have to use Online Pictures option. And I want to show you how to insert pictures from your computer. I'm selecting this Pictures option, and you have to select the path where your pictures are located. So I'm selecting this desert pictures, and I'm selecting this insert button. Here we go. Our picture is just inserted to our document. So right now I will show you how to resize this picture. Suppose if you want to decrease the size of this picture, there are some methods. So I am showing you how to decrease the size of these pictures. To decrease the size of these pictures, you will get some field for increase or decrease its height and width under Size tab. So right now it's in 4.88 in size, and I want to make it 3.88 in height, and for width I want to make 5.5, and I'm pressing enter button from my keyboard. Here we go. Now you can see the size of our picture is decreased. Or you can also increase or decrease the size of this picture by using your mouse. You can see some picture pointer is here, and you have to drag and hold this pointer with your mouse, and you have to move if you want to make it small or large by your mouse pointer. So this is how you will increase or decrease the image size in Microsoft Word. And right now I will show you how to crop these pictures. Suppose if you want to crop this blue sky from these pictures, so let's take a look how to crop this picture. I want to remove this blue sky from this picture. To crop this picture, you will get this crop option under size tab. I'm selecting this crop option, and here you will get some area to select till which area you want to keep or which area you want to crop. So I am removing this blue part. I'm just selecting this blue part, and I just selected, and I have to press enter button from my keyboard. I'm pressing enter button from my keyboard. Now you can see the blue sky is just cropped from this picture. So this is how you will use crop option in Microsoft Word. If you want to use some shapes for these pictures, so let's take a look how to use some shapes for these pictures. Suppose you want to put this picture in star shape, so let's take a look how to put these pictures in star shape. I'm selecting this picture, and you will get the crop option in here, and here is an option named crop to shape. So I want to put this picture in star shape. I'm selecting this star shape. Here we go. The picture is now in star shape. Or if you want to use this picture in heart shape, so let's take a look how to change it in heart shape. I'm selecting this crop option. From there, crop to shape, and I'm selecting this heart option. And here we go. The shape is changed star to heart. So this is how you will change shape of picture in Microsoft Word. Right now, I will show you how to rotate this picture. To rotate this picture, you have to select the picture, and you will get the rotate option under Arrange tab. If you want to rotate this picture in right side in 90-degree angle, you have to select this rotate right 90 degree, and you can see our picture is just rotate in right side at 90-degree angle. Or if you want to rotate this picture in left side with 90-degree angle, just select this, and our picture is rotated in left side in 90 degree and it's in previous position. If you want to flip this picture, you have to select this rotate option, and you can find vertically or horizontally some options. If you want to flip this picture vertical, then you have to select flip vertical option. You can see the image is flipped with vertical mode. Or if you want to flip this picture in horizontal mode, just you have to select flip horizontal mode option, and you can see the picture is just flipped in horizontal mode. So this is how you will rotate the picture in Microsoft Word. In this lesson, we will learn how to wrap text in with picture, how to change style for this picture, or how to correction with color, and how to use artistic effect in Microsoft Word's picture. So let's take a look how to wrap text with this picture. I want to put some text before this picture, so I am pasting some text in here, and I want to put this picture in front of this text. That means this picture will go behind of this text. So if I mask this picture here, you can see the picture is moving up, but the paragraph is just broken down. So I want to send this picture behind the text. So let's take a look how to send this picture behind the text. So you have to use your mouse right button on this picture and you will get wrap text option, and from here you have to select behind text option. Now you can see the picture is just moved behind of this text and the text come front in picture. So this is how you will send or bring pictures behind the text or in front of text. If you want to bring this picture again in front of text, just use the right button from your mouse and select wrap text. Then you have to select in front of text. So now the picture is again in previous mode. That means our picture is now with in front of text mode. Or you can get some many more wrap text options from here. You can select top and bottom, square, tight, and inline with text from wrap text option. First I'm selecting behind text option. So this is how you will use in front of text or behind the text from wrap text option. Right now I will show you how to change the picture style in Microsoft Word. Suppose you want to change some style for this picture. Suppose you want to add a metal frame in this picture. So let's take a look how to add a metal frame in this picture. I'm selecting here, and under the format option you will get a picture style tab, and here is some preset picture style in there. I'm selecting this metal tab, and you can see the metal tab is applied with this picture. You will get many more picture style in here. You can choose this soft edge oval style, or you can use this bevel or rectangle style from here. So this is how you will change the picture style in Microsoft Word. Right now I will show you how to make some correction with brightness and contrast for this picture in Microsoft Word. So to make some correction with these pictures, you have to select the picture and you will get correction option under adjustment tab, and selecting this corrections option, and you will get, so there are some many presets in there. Suppose if you want to make some more brightness for this picture, you can select anyone from here and you can see it's 40% more bright and less 20% contrast. Or you can select any kind of preset format from here as you want. If you want to make this dark, you can select it from here and you can see the preview in here. So this is how you will make some correction with your contrast and brightness in Microsoft Word. Right now, I will show you how to make some color correction for this image. Suppose you don't want to keep this picture like this. If you want to use some grayscale or orange accent or green accent for this picture, so you have to select this color option under adjust tab. I'm selecting this color option, and you can see the different type of preset color option here. If you want to select grayscale, you can select it from here, and here is the preview of the picture. Or if you want to use orange accent, here is orange accent, and our picture is now in orange accent. And if you want to use in green accent, you can select this green accent. So this is how you can change or you can make some color correction from Microsoft Word. Right now, I will show you how to use artistic effect. Suppose you want to make this picture like a pencil sketch picture, or if you want to make this picture like a picture from behind the glass, you can make it on Microsoft Word. So I want to make this picture as a pencil sketch. So I'm selecting this picture and you will find artistic effect under adjust tab, and here you will get some preset. So I want to make a pencil sketch from here, and I'm selecting this pencil sketch option, and our picture is just changed with pencil sketch. Or if you want to make this picture behind the glass, just you have to select the effect which is look like a behind the glass. This is the glass effect for picture I'm selecting. Now you can see it looks like this picture is behind the glass. Or if you want to make this picture blur, then you can use the blur effect from here. Here is this blur effect. I'm selecting this blur effect, and here we go. Our picture is now with blur effect. So this is how you will use some artistic effect in Microsoft Word. In this lesson, we will learn how to use cover page, how to use blank page, and how to use page break in Microsoft Word. This is a 3-page flower article, and we don't added any cover page for this article. You may need some cover page for your project or for your report which you want to create in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to create a cover page in Microsoft Word. I want to create a cover page for this flower article. To create a cover page, you have to click Insert menu, and you will get cover page option under Page tab. I'm selecting this cover page option, and you will get some design for creating your cover page. You can choose any kind of design from here. I'm selecting this banded design as our cover page, and here we go. The cover page is added to our article. Here is our article and here is our cover page. So let's give a name for this cover page. I'm writing flower article, flower article. So this is how you will add cover page on your document. Right now I will show you how to add a blank page in Microsoft Word. This is the article for flower, and I want to add a blank page after this paragraph. So add a blank page after this paragraph, you have to select Insert menu, then you will get blank page option. To add a blank page, you have to select this blank page option. I'm selecting this blank page option. Here we go. You can take a look. A blank page is added to our document. So this is how you will add blank page in Microsoft Word. Now I will show you how to add a page break in Microsoft Word. Suppose you want to keep this part of article in a single page and rest of the article will move on other page. So if you want to keep this specific paragraph in here and the rest part will be moved in other page, so you have to point your mouse cursor end of this paragraph and you will get page break option in insert menu, and I am selecting this page break option. Here we go. In this page, the paragraph which you selected its content on this page, and rest of the contents are moved in another page. So this is how you will use page break in Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn how to add page number, how to add header, and how to add footer in Microsoft Word. This is article for flower, and it's a 5-page article. You can see the number of page in here, but in the page there is no page number is appearing on here. So we want to put a page number in every page. So to add a page number, you have to select this insert menu, and then you will get page number option under header and footer tab. I'm selecting this page number option. Then you will have some more option. If you want to put your page number top of the page, then you will have some design from here. If you want to put the page number in right side or left side or centrally, you can select the design from here. Or if you want to put the page number in bottom of your page, then you will have some same design. Where the page number will be placed, is it in left or centrally or in right side of your page. So I'm selecting the top of the page and I am selecting this right side design. Here we go. Now you can see the page number is in here. And let's take a look in other page. This is our second page, and here the number 2 is appearing as same as in 3 in our third page, 4 in our fourth page, and as well as 5 in our fifth page. So this is how you will add page number on Microsoft Word. Right now I will show you how to add a header for every page in Microsoft Word. In this article we don't have any header, but if you want to place a header in this article, then you have to select this insert menu. From there you have to select header option under header and footer tab. You will get different type of header option from here, some ion light, some ion dark, or motion design, or some blank design. You can choose any kind of design from here. I am selecting this blank design with 3 columns. I'm selecting this, and here we go. This is header is added to our page, and you can write some word here. I'm writing a header, and you can see every page is now with this header option. So as we have the 5 page, so 5 page is now have the header options. So this is how you will add header option. There is a footer tab too, but if you want to add some custom footer, then you have to select insert menu, and from there you have to select footer option. So I'm selecting a footer, and you can choose any kind of design from here. If you want to add this grid footer, or you can add to ion dark. I'm selecting this ion dark design for our footer, and you can take a look. The footer is added in every page in Microsoft Word. So this is our footer, and let's take a look on next page. Here is the footer, and here's the footer. So this is how you will add header and footer in every page. If you want to add some header which is included with the page number, then you have to select insert menu, then header, and from there you will get this odd page or even page header. I'm selecting this odd page header option, and you can see the page number is now in header, as well as same in page 2, page 3. So this is how you will add header and footer on Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson we will learn how to add symbol and how to add equation in Microsoft Word. So if you want to add some symbol, let's take a look how to use or how to insert symbol in Microsoft Word. To insert a symbol, you have to select this insert menu, and from there you will get symbol option under symbol tab. I'm selecting this symbol option, and you will get some symbol in here. So I'm selecting a symbol from here like this alpha symbol, and you can see the symbol is added to our document, and I want to use some copyright symbol in here. I'm selecting symbol option, and here is the copyright symbol. So this is how you will add some symbol. If you want to add some more symbol which is not in here, you have to, and you want to add this symbol. To add this more symbol or your desired symbol, you have to click the more symbol option, and you will get a dialog box for adding a symbol in here. Here is a number of symbol, number of dot, number of symbolic designs available in here, and you can choose any kind of symbol or any kind of design from here. If you want to add this 11, you can place this symbol in our document. I'm selecting, and I'm selecting insert. You can see in here that 11 is added. Or if you want to add this trademark symbol, I'm just selecting. You have to select this symbol and have to click the insert button. You can see the TM or trademark symbol is added. Or if you want to add this register sign or register symbol, just you have to select and you have to click insert button in here. So this is how you will add symbol in Microsoft Word. Right now I will show you how to add equation in Microsoft Word. Suppose you want to create a mathematical question, so that's why you may need some equation. So let's take a look how to add some mathematical or equation in Microsoft Word. You will get equation option under the symbol tab in insert menu. I'm selecting this equation option, and after select the equation option, you will get different type of equation format in here. If you want to add some sine, cos, tan equation, you can select this equation from here. I'm selecting, and you can see the equation is added. Or if you want to add any different type of equation, you just need to select this insert menu, and from there you have to select the equation option, and from there you can add any other type of equation which you need. So this is how you will add equation in Microsoft Word. Or you can edit this equation as you want. If you want to write this sine and the sine equation, and you don't want to keep this sine option in here, and you want to write cos, and you just need to delete this sign. So this is how you will add cos, and I want to put a 10 here. I'm writing 10. So this is how you will insert equation, and you will modify this equation in Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson we will learn how to add a smart art, how to add a graphics chart, and how to add a text box in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to add a smart art in Microsoft Word. To add some smart art, you have to select insert menu, and there you will get smart art option under illustration tab. I'm selecting this smart art option, and the dialog box will appear in Microsoft Word, and you can choose any kind of smart art graphic from here. And if you want to take some list view, you can have some presets design in here, or you can choose any kind of design from here which is need for list. I'm selecting this continuous picture list, and I'm selecting OK. So this is how you will add a smart art design in Microsoft Word. Or you can modify this design from here under the design tab, and you will get some. I'm selecting this style in here, and you can take a look. The design is just changed, or you will have some more design in here. You can set any kind of design from there. If you want to add some cycle smart art design, then let's take a look how to add this. I'm selecting insert menu. From there I'm selecting smart art, and there you will get this cycle design, and I'm selecting this text cycle, or you can choose any kind of design as you like. I'm selecting this and I'm selecting OK button. Here we go, our text cycle smarter design is just appeared. So this is how you will add text cycle design in Microsoft Word. Or if you want to modify this design, you can have option under design menu, and here is a tab named Smart Art Style. You can choose any kind of design as you like. I'm selecting this design, and you can take a look. The design of this smarter cycle is changed. So this is how you will add smarter design. Right now I will show you how to add text box in Microsoft Word. If you want to add some text box, you have to select this insert menu and you will get the text box option under text tabs. I'm selecting this text box options, and you will get a different type of text box design in here. You can choose any kind of design from here. If you want to add a motion sidebar, you can select this motion sidebar. I'm selecting this motion sidebar text box, and here the motion sidebox text box is in here, and you just need to write or edit your content in this motion text box. So if you want to add some blank text box, then just you have to select insert menu, and from there text box options, and you have to select this simple text box option, and you can drag and drop where you want to put, or you can change the size, or you can increase or decrease the size, and then you can write the content you want to write in there. I'm writing hello world. So this is how you will add text box in Microsoft Word. Right now we will learn how to add graphics chart in Microsoft Word. To add a graphics chart, you have to select this insert menu, and from there you will get chart option under illustrations tab. I'm selecting this chart option, and you will get a dialog box, and you will get different type of design. If you want to take column design, you will have some designs in here, or you can choose any kind of design from here. So I'm selecting this column design in here, and I'm selecting OK button, and here we go, our graphics chart is in here, and it's have an Excel sheet. So let's take a look how to edit or how to modify this graphics chart in here. Take a look, this is category 1, and the graph is in here. It's category 1, it's category 2, category 2, category 3, here is in category 3, category 4, and here is in category 4. And there is some fields in here. This is the fields for series 1, and you can see the series 1, 2, 3. Series 1's value is indicating with the blue bar, series 2 values is indicating with the orange bar, and series 3 value is indicating with grayscale bar. So this is how you will add charts in here. And if you want to put some value in here, I am putting category 1 in series 1 4.3, and I want to write it's 8.3, so I am writing 8.3 and I'm pressing enter. You can see the category 1 and series 1 is hitting it in 8. So this is how you will add or customize in your graph chart. So if you want to add some circle chart or any other kind of chart, then let's take a look how to use this circle chart in Microsoft Word. So to enter a circle chart, you have to select insert menu, and from there, from chart option, you will get this pie option. You can select in here, and there is different type of designs in here. You can choose as you want. I'm selecting these options and I'm selecting OK button, and here we go, our circle chart is in here, and here is an Excel sheet as well as like before. Just you have to put the value, like its first quarter is marking with blue color, second quarter is marking with orange color. The same as if you want to put some change or put some value in here. I want to put some value in second quarter. I want to write 6.3 instead of 3.2. I'm writing 6.3 and I'm pressing enter, and you can look, the effect is applied in here. So that means the area of second quarter is increased. Or if you want to change some design for this chart, you will get the design option under design menu, and there is an option named chart style. You can select any kind of design from here. I'm selecting this black design, so you can take a look. Our design is just changed. So this is how you will add charts in Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn how to add watermark, how to add page color, or how to add page border in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look at how to add a watermark in Microsoft Word. To add a watermark, you have to select this design menu, and you will get watermark option under page background tab. I'm selecting this watermark option, and you will get some watermark design in here. I'm just selecting this do not copy watermark design. Now you can see the do not copy watermark is added to our page. Or if you want to customize this text, then you have to select watermark option, and from there you have to select custom watermark, and you can change the word. You can write there like it's mine, or I'm selecting OK, and it's mine is set it as watermark. Or if you want to add any company or any organization name, then you can write that academy. I'm writing here. You can write your own brand name or any kind of name in here as a watermark. So this is how you will use the watermark. So let's take a look how the watermark is showing behind the text. I copied some text in here and I'm pasting this text. Now you can see that the text in here and watermark just behind the text. So this is how watermark is working. Or if you want to add some image or logo as your watermark, then let's take a look how to add some image as watermark. You have to select this watermark, and from there you have to custom, and there's an option named custom watermark. You have to select this, and then you will get picture watermark option, and from there you have to select the select picture button. I'm selecting this, and if you want to take some online picture, you can take in here, and I want to take it from my local computer. That's why I'm selecting this work offline option, and I'm selecting this jellyfish pictures as my watermark. I'm selecting insert button, and I'm selecting OK button, and here we go. The picture is added as a watermark in our document. So every page, how many page you have for this article, every page this picture is added as a watermark. So this is how you will add watermark in your Microsoft Word. Right now I will show you how to change page color in Microsoft Word. To change page color, you just have to select this design menu, and then you will get a option named page color. You can select it from here, and you can select any kind of color from here. If you want to add a green color, you just have to select this green color, and you can take a look every color or every page is changed with green color. Or if you want to select any other color from here, you can set yellow or red or orange, any kind of color you can pick it from here. Or if you want to remove this color from here, just you have to select no color, then the document will come in previous mode. Or if you want to use some gradient and textures as your page color, then you have to select this more color option, and you can get some different color from here. I'm selecting this, the color is just changed. And for using gradient and textures, I have to select the fill effect, and you will get There's some options for gradient. If you want to use gradient, you can select the gradient style from here. I'm selecting a gradient style from here. I'm selecting this style and I'm selecting OK. And you can take a look the change on the page color, that the gradient color is applied. And let's take a look how to add a texture in this page. To add a texture, you just have to select page color and from there fill effect option, and there you have to select the texture option and you will get some texture design from here. You can choose any kind of design from here. I'm selecting this child's design and I'm selecting OK. So take a look, our page textures is look like a marble texture. So this is how you will add texture in your document. Right now we will learn how to add a page border. To add a page border for your page, you have to select this design menu and from there is an option named page borders. I'm selecting this page borders option and you will get a dialog box for selecting page borders. So what kind of design you want to take, you can select it from here. I'm selecting a design from here and I'm selecting OK. So you can take a look, a border is added to our page. Or if you want to change or customize this page border, just you have to select this page border option and from there you can increase or decrease width of this page border. I'm increasing and I'm selecting this design for our page and I'm selecting OK. You can see the width of our page is increased. Or if you want to change the other borders, you have to select page border and from there you can choose any kind of border as you want to take from here. I'm selecting these borders from here and I'm selecting OK. Now you can see the page border is changed. Or if you want to use any other or some graphical viewable page border, then you have to select page border and from there you will get a name or art option. You can select in here and you will get a different type of page border in here. Suppose if you want to add some balloons from here, I'm selecting this balloons and I'm selecting OK. Now you can see the page border is now with the balloons. So this is how you will add page border in Microsoft Word. Thank you. In this lesson, we will learn how to set your page, how to set your margin, how to set your page size, or how to print in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to set your page. To set your page, you will have to select this layout menu and you will get the page setup option in here. If you want to change your page setup to landscape, right now it's in portrait mode, and if you want to take it in landscape mode, then you have to select this orientation option, and as default it is in portrait mode and you have to select landscape mode. And you can take a look, our page is now select as a landscape mode. Or if you want to bring it back as like before in portrait mode, then you just have to select this orientation option and from there you will have to select this portrait mode. So this is how you will change your pages portrait or landscape mode in Microsoft Word. Let's take a look about size of the page. To change size of the page, you have to select the size option in here and you will get different type of size in here. By default, right, it is in later mode. If you want to add a document like a legal mode, then it will be in 8.5 into 14 in size, or you can add some A3 or A4 page size. I'm selecting this A3 page size. You can see the page size is just increased. That means it's in A3 page size, or if you can change in A4, I'm selecting this A4. Right now our page size is in A4. So this is how you will change the page size. So I'm bringing it by as our later size. This is the default size for Microsoft Word. So right now our document is in letter size. So let's take a look how to increase or decrease margin in Microsoft Word. To set margin, you have to select the margin option from here. I'm selecting margin and you will get some preset margin option here. I'm selecting this wide margin option. I'm selecting this wide margin option and you can take a look. A wide margin is applied to this document and that's why our content or article or paragraph is just squeezed or narrow itself and it came the center of this page. Or you can take a narrow margin from here. I'm selecting this narrow margin and you can see the change of the margin. Or if you want to customize the margin, you can select custom margin option and from here you can increase or decrease margin from here. I'm increasing a little margin from here and you can take a look. Our top margin is increased a lot and that's why our article is gone down a little. So this is how you can customize the margin from here. You can add or remove or you can increase or decrease the margin size from here. I'm reducing the margin size or you can see the preview in here. I'm selecting OK. Now you can see it's in little up from before. So this is how you will select margin from here. And if you want to increase margin in right side or left side, I'm increasing a little in our left side and you can see the preview in here. I'm increasing a margin in here and I'm selecting OK. You can see the margin is just increased in left side. Or if you want to add same as in right side, then you just have to select and from there custom margin option and from there I'm increasing a little margin in left side to right side and you can see the preview in here and I want to make it balance. It is 1.3 and it is same like is 1.3 and I'm selecting OK. So now left side margin and right side margin is in equal balance. It is in 1.3 and same like it is in 1.3. So this is how you will customize margin in Microsoft Word. Now we will learn about column. If you want to make this article in a 2-column or 3-column, so let's take a look how to make 2-column or 3-column in Microsoft Word. You will get the column option under the page tab and you have to select this column option. Right now by default it's in 1-column option and if you want to make this article in a 2-column, you just have to select this 2-column option and you can take a look. Our article is divided in 2 columns. Or if you want to add some more column like 3 or 4, I'm adding one more column. I'm selecting this 3 column and right now our article is divided in 3 columns. So this is how you will use column in Microsoft Word. And right now I want to show you how to print a document in Microsoft Word. I want to print this document. To print this document, you have to select the file menu and from there you have to select this print option or you can use Ctrl and P button from your keyboard. I'm selecting this print option and you have to select the printer name in here. You can have the Canon or you can have the Lexmark printer. You have to select in here and you can select the page size from here or you can select the how many copy you want to print. You have if you want to print 2 copy, then you just have to select 2 and then you have to select the print option. So this is how you will use print or you will print in Microsoft Word. Thank you.